Hey you guys, and welcome back to Nick Noy Gaming. This is Nicke. Thanks for tuning in. This is my first video as a 5ER gameplay, and I want to show you the first 4 games to start with. This is the first game that I was 5, and the second, third, and fourth that I have played, and it's all been about time. So they take my base and I take their base. But let me show my base and my thoughts about that. I'm surprised that I haven't met that many seekers. Maybe they have seekers and they see this base and it's designed not to encourage people to use seekers. The only thing I'm missing here before I'm really satisfied is 4 rocket launchers. So I'm gonna upgrade the rocket launchers and then probably gonna get an amplifier, but let's see how it goes. So first off is the 4th rocket shoppers, and with that they all gonna be maxed, so that is gonna help a lot of taking out guys like this when the bombardiers are left behind out in the middle of the field and the rocket launchers take them out. But let's see this guy's gameplay. Let's speed it up a little bit so it's not that boring for you guys to look at. Maybe it's not boring, but let's speed it up anyway. So I won this, obviously, because I have 4 wins at 5ER gameplay. I'm pushing up against level 22 in the Diamond League, so that's fun. It's instantly I'm progressing, so that's really good. I hate it when you decide to upgrade something or go next ER and it's downhill. You lose stars and stuff like that, but it's not the case now, so I'm really happy about that. I'm not sure where I should put the 4th ER, but let's upgrade not the ER, the rocket launcher. So let's upgrade the one that I want, so I can get the damage amplifier. This I really want, and I think I'm gonna get it before the seekers. I can get the seekers now, but I want the barrage. And I want the tokens to upgrade the barrage as much as I can, but I'm gonna use it for rocket launcher now, so let's do it. It's no return, just do it. Yep, there it is. So 1.8, it's only 1 more chest or 2 chests to get up to that, and then I have them. I know that people say that when you get to 6ER and the heavy shoppers are in play, that's no use to have maxed launch rocket launchers. But I think everything is okay to have maxed. Yeah, but let's go ahead and play another game, and let's see if I can push for 22. So I've been sticking with this combination with the riflemans and bombardiers, and as I said, my base hasn't been attacked that much of seekers, so let's see. Maybe I have to go up in the left corner first to avoid some of the splash damage. I want to come down from the upper so everyone is clumped at the bottom there. The base wants to be like that. Everyone is down there and they're gonna be pounded, so this is gonna be really good. Just release some critters and shocks, and let's see how this progresses. The last boat of riflemen and bombardiers are coming from the down below, so this is a really good fan out, and I want the riflemen because the one like the boom cannons and stuff like that, it's only hitting one guy at a time. So I have plenty of time to get to the core here and then just shock slashing with triggers. So I think this is working. Maybe not this game is gonna be a win, but I didn't think I'm gonna win just because I have 4 wins. So let's see. This is looking pretty good. That was a great critter, and almost everybody here is alive. So the only thing that can screw us now are the rocket launchers and the mines. That is not looking too bad. So let's go for the yard. So 2:15. Let's see. Did he start before or after? Because he finished at the same time. Yes, 15 seconds. Whoop. Win streak. So that's put us nearly at 22. So let's see what he did with my base. Because this is the key. Oh, heavies and rocket choppers. Yeah, I've seen this gameplay in this higher, especially at 6 yard gameplay. This is really common. You have 2 heavies and 6 rocket choppers, but you have to be very careful with placements of the troops and being shocked and take out especially boom cannons. But the rocket launchers that I have are really gonna play a role here if they are amplified. And this is really good to just check the replay in the beginning of a new base design to see the flaws of different angles and different angles of different troops, to see what you can improve and if one mine can make a difference. We put look here, all the mines are unused here. Obviously that's not the case if they use seekers, so you can't just change everything because this attack wasn't good for this. But here you can have more shock mines to slow down when they go there, because every group is going to go that way. So I think I should move some shock mines there. But this is a really good example that this is okay. This is okay troop, but it takes time. I mean, 2 minutes to put down the choppers. So the rocket choppers aren't that good to take on one base. But of course, it's skill also. You need skill to do that. But look, wow, look at this. I thought I was 1 short, but no. 22. Thank you very much. Thank you. So now we can almost upgrade. Almost. 33,000 is missing for the rocket launchers. So yeah, 33,000. So let's play another game when we're on the roll. Win streak, 5 times win streak. Let's just do it. That's my gameplay. I play until the first lose, and then I maybe play 1 more. If I win then I continue to play until I lose again, and if I lose 2 in a row, that's it. If I'm not in a really I want to play, sometimes I get in that mode. But I talked about that in the last video, what I call the curse. It's not, of course, a curse, but I call it the curse of instant training, that you have the let me just concentrate on this game first. Let's see, take out that rocket launchers because it was too much with that, and send out the critters there. So this is a fairly open base in the beginning, and that's good because that's the critters and everything swarm out and take out mines and the bombardiers can line up perfectly as a really feather-like. I mean, they spread out so really good. But obviously, it's hard to get a good time. So maybe the Seekers are better on this kind of maybe this will be my first loss because he only has 2 engines left, and I have to take down his whole base like this. Let's see if I can stay in 22. I don't remember if he started before or after me. Doesn't matter. Let's see here. Come on. The last thing. Boom, yeah, 240. Yeah, 240 is a really good time. So let's see. Let's see what he's doing. Oh my god, 222, and rocket choppers. So my base is holding up fairly well in this beginning of, oh, look at that, 19 stars. Win streak and first win of the day. The first win of the day, I never know when that's gonna come because I played all day, but yeah, 6 wins, and this is looking pretty good. Yeah, these are the matches when I was 4ER, and that's the first one at 5. So 6 games in a row. Always nice to go up an engine and start the season like this. So let's see what he did with my base. The rocket choppers again. So no Seekers yet. And this one is a little bit different. He goes up with the rocket seekers to take out the portion of my base that is fairly light guarded, especially for this kind of thing. But it's a boom cannon, and there's a lot of mines to slow down the heavies. So let's see, and the grappler is doing a perfect job to just grapple guys and take out. Oh, so he's using barrage. Interesting, because I'm thinking about upgrading now. I have thought. Should I go for the seekers, or should I go for just open the scorchers and then go for barrage and then amplifier? Because I want to have barrage also to take out mines, and maybe do like this, have a max barrage and take out an ER. But his time wasn't better than mine, even though he took out an ER with a barrage. So obviously the heavies and the rocket choppers are no good to use on this kind of base, because this layout that I have with 3 ERs heavily guarded down here, you can't get a good time. You can't. So 20 stars into rank 22. So pushing forward to legendary, but let's take one step at a time. So let's see in the locals where I'm at. 21. So I'm coming now. I'm coming now in the rankings in Sweden also. So that's good. So let's keep the momentum and just keep on playing. I know you like to see gameplay, and live gameplay. So let's go for it. This base, really clumped with mines and everything, but I think if we can take out the defenses at the beginning here and just push forward with critters, and so we can, let's take out, oh, he has maxed also. This is my problem. I should do a little bit more recon and not just go for it, but it's working pretty good. So, but I can be better, because that's what skill is all about, to see things and make use of the minute that you have. And that was a really stupid that should be a critter box, but that was a shock mine for nothing. My god, this is looking not too good now. I have not that many guys left, and the grappler is killing my bombardiers. So this may be the first... Oh my god, my first loss. But this was a really strange base, and there goes her. Yeah, this is... I'm doomed. I'm doomed. Yeah. Bye-bye. This was an example of not looking. And what does he have here? He's heavy and bombardiers. So this is definitely... Look at the time also. 2:25, and he has 2 ERs left. So if I only have chosen my army better and use the gunboat energy better, because under 2 minutes is rarely that I got under 2 minutes, so maybe I could have won this if I had only played better. But that's the case with every match, of course. You have to play better than the other guy. But 1:55, not a good time for him. So that was a really big plump in the protocol. So no, not fun. So let's hop on the horse again, see what we can do. And this is obviously a base designed to take out seekers with all the mines lined up. And maybe I shouldn't have used the riflemans with all this splash in the beginning, because they're clumping up. This is the first time I play a base like this, so this may also be a loss, I think, because I see them go away really fast. But let's see. I have to shot that shit. Oh my god. Second loss in a row, maybe. If I can just I have to get rid of the rocket launchers now. And the shock. Yeah. Now this is good. I'm gonna make it. No, look at that. The grappler took my one and only ever spark. Can I need that? Maybe no. The grappler is a killer right now, so she's just blocking 1 and 1. So this have to be fast up here now with the critters. The good thing is no mines left. No mines left to screw it up. And just go, bombardiers. Go for it. And I can't fare anything because I want them to spread out and to take out as many things as possible at the same time, because they have so much DPS damage per second. So yeah, I think this was a loss. 2:11, and he got before me. So let's see. Yeah, 8 seconds. 8-second loss. So now the losses are coming, but I'm still in 22. So another chest. Let's see what we can do with that. I have a lot of keys now, and I can finally upgrade my rocket launchers. So that will help. I would do it. No second thoughts. Perfect. And I think I will go for the barrage. Yeah, I can still go for the seekers if I want, but I will wait with that because I have 46 keys now, and I will go for the amplifier. I think I will think about it, because I'm not sure that I'm gonna be good at seekers, because you have to read the thing and take out mines and stuff like that. And to be honest, I don't think it's so fun to play with seekers. Just drop them and see what they do. But this is more fun to build a base that you can see are stopping people. And this is really nice to have maxed out things. So I've been playing for a while now, couple of games. I have been winning and I have been losing, but I have mostly been winning, so I'm up at 42 stars now. So let's play one more game and keep it rolling. And I haven't come across that many that play with Seekers. Maybe the players with Seekers are higher up in 23, 24. I don't know. But let's see. This is a really, I shouldn't say easy base, but there are no mines in the beginning, so my troops are getting really up in the core, and the bombardiers can do some really damage, and you just have to shock things. And I have been trying to use the barrage, but it has been with no success at all. I haven't learned that, so I'm playing with the old strategy, just take out things and let the critters go on the 1 ER. So because these bases are so big that you have to let the troops take out almost everything to get to the engines. So, but this is looking pretty good because the mines are all in the back, and I have critters to take them out from Everlast or Everspark. And this boom cannon and regular cannon can't do that much on a critter box. The critter box are eating the engine, but this wasn't the best play. I could have done much better. I'm always, when I look at this, I see that I could have taken out the boom cannon or the cannon with the critter box, and then the critter boxes can go to the engine. But this was a win nevertheless, so that's really nice. Let's see what he did. Barraging out. Yeah, could this be the first Seeker attack on my base? It looks like it, because it's taking out so much of my mines. So let's see. Oh yes, it is a Seeker attack for the first time. Let's see what the Seekers and what the path is. They go straight up for that, and some go to that one and some go to that one, and they are really under pressure from the flamethrowers. And look at this, I have put shock mines there to stop them the first time, and then some in the some regular mines to damage them. And look at this, they're coming out so damaged, and the machine guns can pick them out, and the rocket launchers are still firing. So look, yeah, holding up pretty good against Seekers. But of course, if a player that has another skill set or another way to go about it, maybe it's not going to hold up that great. But let's see. Number 18 in Sweden now, and I think I'm gonna let it be for now. Gonna sit and enjoy this. And I just want to thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. And this was meant to be a short video, but it was 25 minutes. So if you like it, I will see the views of it. But maybe this video is too long. Maybe I should do shorter videos. I don't know. You can tell me in the comments, because you're at least 10 of you subscribe on the channel, and more are subscribing. So tell me if you like to see more content but shorter. But I'm like to talk about things and my thoughts. So yeah, thank you guys. Have a nice weekend. See you next time. Bye bye.